Let's take a look at how to set up your HomeSafe medical alert system. When you unpack the box, you should have the home communicator, a power cord, a phone cable, a help button, a quick start guide, and a manual. Please take a few minutes to read through the manual. Place the home communicator in the room where you spend most of your time. Plug the home communicator's power cord into an electrical outlet. Then, slide the power switch on the back of the home communicator to the on position. The home communicator will say, "Good, we detect power." Now unplug your landline phone cable from the wall jack and plug the clear end of the phone cord that came with your home communicator into that wall jack. Then plug the cable from your landline phone into the blue jack on the back of the home communicator. The home communicator will say, "Good, your communicator is now plugged in." If you've completed this step correctly, you should hear a dial tone on your phone. Next, we'll test the range of your help button. Start by pressing and releasing the blinking reset bar on the home communicator. The home communicator will say, "Begin the range test." Put on your help button and press it in each room of your house. If the home communicator responds with a beep, it indicates that the help button is within range and will be able to send a help call if necessary. When you've tested your help button in each room, press the reset bar on the home communicator again. Then press the help button you're wearing. This will connect you to a Philips Lifeline trained care specialist. They'll confirm your setup and answer any questions you may have. That's it. You're now ready to experience 24/7, fast, easy access to Philips Lifeline whenever you need it. Innovation and you. Philips.